What up guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll play the full clip as you watch as Portable shut down Celestial Church. I'm only be small to know. After all the controversy and waiting I talk, see Portable will not go perform for Celestial Church. Like Portable cannot perform in the church. He finally made it to the event. I'm going to decide to go because this people actually welcome Portable with a wide open arm. And the part that really sweet me. Now when Portable they spray me to their pastor, just watch this video. I'm gonna be smart, you know. Portable always have a way of getting into these people's heart because even then talk say this guy no go come. The guy has a way to actually be there and they also make them happy, and that was exactly what he did. I will let people to just enjoy the full video because I don't want to talk much in this video, but do have to just tell what you think about everything in the comment section. And if you watched the viral videos of his performance or you were there at the church, rate it from a scale of 1 to 10. What do you think Portable actually did? Share your thoughts, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all again in another of my video.